Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends. So today we are going to study consumer buying behavior process. We all buy so many products, right? And we all go through a specific process. We buy products like soaps, toothpaste, rice, wheat, medicines, etc. They are all termed as FMCG products because they are fast moving consumer goods. तो ये जो फास्ट मूविंग कंज्यूमर गुड्स होते हैं ना, उन्हें खरीदने के लिए भी हम एक प्रोसेस के थ्रू जाते हैं. प्लस वी ऑल्सो बाय ड्यूरेबल गुड्स लाइक टीवी, फ्रिज, एयर कंडीशन and laptops and so on. These are all durable goods. While buying these products also we go through a particular process. But there is a thin line of difference between two processes. In case I am buying a shampoo, my process would be very quick and very short. But if I want to buy a laptop, or say I want to buy jewelry, or I want to buy a big car, or I want to buy a house, I would rather take few more time, or I could say few more minutes, or few more days even, or few more months even in case of house or certain things like this, because we would like to evaluate more and more options, right? So we all go through a particular process. So let's study today consumer buying behavior process. So we start with our first point. First point is need recognition. Now what is this need recognition? See students, when I want to buy a thing, I have a need. I feel I want something, and that is a trigger point for my buying behavior process. I feel that I require this product and therefore I buy. Say for example, I want to buy a laptop. Now I get this urge of buying a laptop because now I'm going to travel a lot and I would require a laptop wherein I can work from train, or I can carry my laptop to my office and I can work there as well. Before that I was having a fixed place job where I used to sit at one desk and work. So for me computer was enough. So now I have got this need. So say for another example, if you want, you have got a lot of hair fall. So now there is a need for you to buy a shampoo which will cure your hair fall. So first point, always the buying behavior starts with the need. We find out what need we have for the product. Second, after this what we do is we find out the information. We look for the information, which brands of laptop are available in the market, which one is better, which one is sleek, which one is very easy to carry, which one will last more, which has a good quality, and so on. We also look for offers. In this way, we try to find out lot of information. Now we try to find out information through company advertisement, their promotion, our friends, our family members who are already using that brand. So once we gather the information, we start evaluating the information. Say for example, I want to buy a laptop and I have two brands in my mind. One is Dell and one is Samsung. Now I will collect the information and evaluate it. Like Dell का price क्या है और सैमसंग का प्राइस क्या है, मुझे डेल के बेनिफिट्स क्या है, सैमसंग के बेनिफिट्स क्या है, एंड सो ऑन. वी कीप ऑन इवैल्यूएटिंग एंड फाइनली देन वी मेक अ डिसीजन. ओके, आई डिसाइड आई वांट टू बाय सैमसंग एज ऑफ नाउ. वंस आई मेक अ डिसीजन, आई गो टू द रिटेलर एंड एक्चुअली बाय द प्रोडक्ट. But students, believe me, after the process of buying behavior does not end there. After buying the product, when I start using it, I realize what are the benefits which I never expected. I am still getting those benefits more. Plus, I may also find some demerits. So if I am very satisfied, I pass on a very good word of mouth to my other friends, to my family members, to my colleagues कि ये brand बहुत बढ़िया है, please go for it without thinking. But if I am not satisfied, I may give a negative feedback. So there is one more point in our buying behavior process, and that is a last point, which is called as post-purchase behavior. After we have made the purchase, we also have a behavior which influences our own purchase in future, as well as we influence others to make their purchase decisions. I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda. Thank you.